Look, all right, real quick. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. I'm coming to you real quick for a quick hack, right? Because a lot of y'all may have received nice TVs. You know what I mean? You may have received nice TVs and you're wondering, you're trying to figure out, like, what you gonna do with this box, right? What you gonna do with this box? Because you don't want to put it outside because everybody want what you got, right? That's how that works. All right, well, listen here. I have a solution for you. Shh. Your current situation is something like this, right? Right? Because you got the new TV put up and all that good stuff, right? Well, we're going to take this TV. This is the old TV. We're going to put the old TV in that box, okay? Old TV, that box. This is pretty simple. Just follow me. Just follow me. I got you. Old TV, right? Set it right on it down. Here's something. This is level 4. Level 4 means you got the styrofoam and stuff intact. You know what I mean? Intact. All right. So we're gonna repackage everything, right? So put this back on there. You looking good. Now, this right here is a level 4 setup. This is level 4. But if you level 5, listen, I don't even know if I should be going in level 5. But for all y'all that's level 5, stick around. Check this out. Level 5, what we want to do now, well, we need to flip the box back upside right? So let's flip the TV. We can see the TV is flipped upright, right? Flipped up. All right, look. Level 5 squad. These clips. You see these clips? They make all the difference. And here's why. See these here? These are the fastener clips. They go right on the inside of this box, just like this, right? And they help keep the box secure. TV may or may not have that. That's fine. But level 5 mean if you have that, we're going to use them. Most places have it, like you may have an HOA or you may got trash people that come or your recycling team that come, and they are fantastic. I'm sure they are fantastic. Tell you something that all of us have. We got this team called the Steelers, not the Pittsburgh Steelers, subdivision or a subcontractor for the Grinch. Happens is when you get that nice delivery Amazon or whatnot, they be out there almost like the porch pirates. Call them the local Steelers, right? So the mission today, we're going to set this up so that, you know, our local Steelers can come and grab it and get rid of it for us. I know what you're saying, like they're thieves. I know what you're saying. However, there's a fundamental difference between a thief and a stealer. Both the idiots, but Steelers will take anything. They're not going to sit there and weigh it and kind of think and be like, maybe there's not a TV in there. Now, thanks to Copilot and AI, they might use that. They already, you know, come equipped with that information, right? But also keep in mind that TVs are pretty light nowadays, so you could put anything inside of it just to give it a little weight, and we're going to pull one over on them. Situation, I went ahead and put an old TV inside of there. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy prepped up nice for these Steelers, and just hopefully they have a wonderful new year. They're going to do us a big favor at that. All we got to do is set this baby outside, and we're going to sit and watch like Steve Irwin. Rest in peace. And here's how you get rid of a TV box with no hassle. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. We back on the grind tomorrow.
I think we found 2 Steelers in the wild. This is the second time these nice folks done walked by. Ladies and gentlemen, somebody come look at this here, I swear. I tell you what, Ring camera's always glitching at the wrong times, but at least the package is gone. Remember, folks, 43% of the time it works, 77% of the time. You can round to the nearest tenth for clarification. Good night.